We'll get around faster now. Looks like the Mantis is back in action. Come on, BD. Let's meet him at the landing pad. Thanks for the assist.
I'm happy you came in. Welcome. Take a look, you'll find the finest components and sundries this side of the Outer Rim. Now that's a Domodendra guarantee.
You hear that, buddy? A guarantee.
That's right, shop's built on trust and quality, and I aim to keep it that way.
I think I'll browse a little.
You got a good eye. Yeah, some good-for-nothing raider triggered the security on my storeroom door, and now it's locked shut. Maybe your little droid can use this encrypted backup code to get it open? My goodness, you unlocked it. Feel free to take whatever you can make use of.
Catch.
Well, hey there, traveler.
Time to go.
Something blisters, what an almighty racket! Have your belts for feet? What's your name, lad? If I'm to hold a grudge, best to know the name.
I'm Cal. This is BD1.
My bantam old mum dubbed me Scuba Stev. Scuba the Fisher, am I?
You know, there's a fish tank down in Pyloon Saloon that could use some attention.
Pylon Saloon? That'll have an infested watering hole down in yon valley.
All right, all right. Yet I asked.
Ah, fine, twist my arm. I'll do it. Meet me at the saloon and we'll appraise this so-called tank.
Good, Neko. Thanks for the ride.
Boundless discoveries, Monk. Every day I glean new knowledge on Kobo and the High Republic.
Good to hear. Say, you might want to talk to Z. In the High Republic days. One of our patrons brought her here.
This is...
Now!
Approach slowly.
Here we go, buddy.
They can deflect blaster.
Z, you're looking good as new.
Indeed, that mechanical mixologist is a...
So who's this seer we're going to see?
A mentor of mine. Rescued me from the Empire on Braca and dragged me halfway across the galaxy.
Sounds like you two went through a lot together.
We did. Been a long time since I've seen her. How's it feel to be back on the Mantis?
Good. Thinking about whipping up some curried burrafish. Kitchen looks in better shape than the rest of the ship, kid.
I definitely saw less action since you left.
You're telling me. The spice levels haven't moved. Did you cook even one decent meal for yourself these last years?
I'm not half the cook you are, Grease. And maybe only 3/4 the pilot.
Very kind, but the first chance we get, I'm making you a plate of Great Granny Pyloon's umber hash.
My favorite. Can't wait.
Jedi, Lateros ain't built for the cold, you know.
Must feel good to get back in the cockpit after so long.
Fine. Just getting used to things.
Never been to Jeddah. We headed to the city?
Nah, last I heard, Seer was holed up in the desert with some weird hermits called anchorites. I just wish he'd pick a more lively cult.
We're getting a signal from Jeddah.
That's Seer. I sent word ahead that we'd be visiting. Let me put it up on the holoprojector.
I got it.
Cal Kestis, it is an honor.
Yeah. Hi. Is Seer there?
We eagerly await your arrival. However, a dust storm is sweeping over our location. It is too dangerous for your ship to land.
How will I get to you?
Master Junda has arranged for an escort who will guide you to us.
Wait, she's sending someone else?
I will transmit the rendezvous coordinates to your pilot.
Okay, I got it.
Disembark with caution. Imperial patrols have been seen in the high desert.
Thanks for the warning. Well?
They give me the creeps. I wonder what kind of weirdo she's gonna send to meet you.
And the Empire's there too.
Not the welcome I was hoping for.
Be careful out there. No pointless heroics, yeah?
Grease, have you been telling stories about me?
I got plenty of things to talk about besides you, kid.
Let's go find Seer's escort. The rendezvous point is up ahead. Time to climb. Hang on, BB. Whoa. Gotta be careful. Jedi. Let's check it out. Let's stay off the sand, buddy. Don't want to end up a snack.
Enemy approaching. I can take you.
Oh, hello. Good job.
We'll break camp at first light.
We're running low on water.
If we do not find an oasis, we will never reach Pilgrim's Crossing.
This is strange.
I'll end you. That cow. Winning chase. Time is on.
Them! I don't understand. It's an echo in the Force, but somehow incomplete. Damaged. That didn't fix it. To have helped. The echo's still here.
As ordered. Got it. This'll be over soon. Pathetic. Nothing. The weak. These men will be a match for a saber. Shots fired. March.
Help, please!
Advance! Up here!
Waking up!
Let's end this clean.
You're quick.
Right. We can pin him.
I'm on you. You'll have to try harder.
Another!
Redirecting attack.
Impaling! How nimble.
Nice. Only the weak flee. Take this. There. Give me some fat. You're finished.
The echo hasn't faded. I guess that didn't work. Gunship's heading towards the rendezvous. They're gonna beat us to Seer's escort. I see him! Not give up. Gotta respect that. Could use a little help, BD. find the escort before the Empire does. Force is with me. Here we go!
I think I'm done. Gotta find our opening. You and me now. Going in closer. Lucky move. Hold the line. I hit him. Hurry, hit it.
You been watching me?
Like old times. Surprised to see me.
I thought they'd send someone a bit more, unfamiliar.
I would not be so quick to judge, Cal Kestis. Much has changed since we last saw each other.
I can see that.
Come. My speeder is this way.
Your land speeder? Stormtroopers found it.
Then we will take care of them.
And it looks like they found us too. You ready?
Just try to keep up, Jedi.
Got you! Stand still! I'm stepping back.
You shall not escape us!
Can't pop those.
Cal! The wall!
More coming. Let's take it down together.
I'm with you, Jedi.
Integrity compromised.
Positive impact.
That's the last of them. You've learned some new tricks.
Looks like you picked up an ascension cable. See anything I can latch onto?
How's this?
Thought you were off traveling the galaxy. What are you doing on Jeddah?
Jeddah is part of the galaxy, Cal.
Good to know.
I visit Seer from time to time. When I heard the Mantis was arriving, I offered to guide you. We must get to the other side. Cal. A storm is coming. Stormtroopers. We should circle around and ambush them from above.
I like the sound of that.
How do you know? Peter. Pretty banged up one, too. They report some hostiles in the area. Can we send out another scouting party? Or stretch?
We need to take them down before more arrive.
Just like that time on Nar Shaddaa.
Precisely. I'll follow your lead.
That's a first.
They're here.
It's over, but that won't be the last of them.
You okay?
Of course. Unlike my speeder. Even if the storm subsided, Seer is too far to reach on foot.
Nice.
What are you thinking?
You might be able to hitch a ride.
All right. Follow me. You haven't learned to fly yet, have you?
There. See it?
I do. You haven't lost your edge. BD seems a step slow. When to take a joke, droid. Through here. You're not stuck, are you? Sith spit. The way is blocked.
Whoa, watch out!
Are you trying to kill me?
Sorry, I thought.
It's all right, Cal. Stand back. I will fix this.
What are you doing?
Restoring the pattern you threw into chaos.
Incredible. That looked exhausting. You need a break?
The storm is coming. I will rest when we arrive at Seer's base.
Where did you learn that?
Dathamir.
You went home?
Yes. My sisters are gone, but their wisdom remains. Ah, the spammels.
The creature is gone, but it will return.
We should never have made this journey.
May the Jedi protect us.
Need to center myself. All set, BD?